Hi guys, this is Omo and welcome back to Kadirecipes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the best, best chicken skewers. So stay tuned for this video. I have here 1 kilogram of chicken breast. If you don't have chicken breast, you can use chicken thigh and remove the skin and the bones so you can get the meat. I will add 150 grams of plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We need 3 cloves of garlic. I prefer to use fresh ginger, but you can also use ground if you don't have the fresh one, and a half of an onion. For the spices, use what you like, but for me, I like to make it simple. I will add some black pepper, curry powder, chili powder, paprika, mix of herbs, and some seasoning. Use what you like, and salt to your taste. You can serve with what you like, but I will serve with some salads. I have my lettuce, tomatoes, bell peppers, onions, cucumbers, and I will even add some boiled egg and lemon. I'm going to start with grating my garlic and ginger. Then I will also grate my onion and set everything aside. In a large bowl, I'm going to prepare my marinade. So for that, I will add my yogurt with my grated onion and garlic and ginger. Then I'm going to add all my spices. I will keep the salt for the end. I will also add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now squeeze your lime in and mix everything well together. You can add your salt in and taste to see. Guys, in order to have that beautiful red skewers, I love to add a bit of tomato paste, but this is completely optional. So I will add my tomato paste for color, and then I will mix everything well together. To have the best result, guys, you have to let this marinate overnight. But if you don't have time, leave it for just 1 hour. Fill your skewers and sprinkle with a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Then get your barbecue ready, and if you don't have a barbecue, use a grill or use your oven if you like. And place your chicken. Now grill this until it's brown and cook. You have to turn often to prevent from burning. This won't take more than 10 minutes since chicken is very easy to cook. And when it's ready, serve with your salad and enjoy. Guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Have a nice day. Bye.